kusina. Andito naman tayo guys. Gagawa naman tayo ng simpleng salata but very healthy. Tingnan nyo guys yung salata. Meron tayo ditong green pepper bell and ginger, cucumber, and lettuce, and parsley and dill, and yellow bell pepper, and carrots, at saka yung cherry tomato. Cherry tomato, pinakamasarap. Ayan guys. Ayan. Mamaya guys, paghahaluin natin yan kasama yung ang ating sauce. Ito naman yung sauce ko guys, pinakasimple lang. Lemon juice and olive oil and kunting asin. Thank you for watching.